Hi all, we're going to have so much fun today. There are so many puzzle pieces. I don't know where to begin.
Hi friends, can you help Ken? I'm sure you'll rock it.
Let's get started. So have you spotted any animals? Well, this one is a lion. Good kitty. Now how about this animal? What's it called? A bear, right? What animal should we look at next? Emily, what do you think?
This one!
Ah, very well. Look, friends, it's a cat. What a cutie! Now there's one more animal left. Can you guess what it is? Yes, it's a dog. So, let's put the pieces together. Are you ready, Emily?
Yeah! I love puzzles! I can't wait to get started! This is going to be so much fun!
So true! Let's start with the picture of a lion. We need another piece. Do you think this one fits? Yes, great job, friends! We can see the lion's head now. The lion's hair is called the mane, in case you didn't know that. And here's the puzzle piece number 3. How many more do we need? There's only one piece left. Can you see it? I think this is it. We finished the first puzzle. Hooray! Can you remember the name of this animal?
It's a lion! Can you roar like a lion? Wow, that was loud! Baby lions are called cubs. They look like big, fluffy kitties.
Oh no! Do you see it too? They're all blank. What shall we do with it? Emily, could you help us?
You are so silly! Just flip this one over.
Haha! Why didn't I think of that? Thanks, Emily. It's the bear. It's a piece number 1. Phew! Now, we need to find the rest of the puzzle. But how can we do that? Shall we just flip everything over? Let's see. No, that doesn't look right. But that's okay. Let's try again. Is this it? Oops, that's the wrong piece again. This is really hard, right?
Yes!
Emily, I think I need some help to find the pieces.
Maybe we should check this one?
Maybe. Yay! We found the piece number 2. Let's put them together. Very well. But there are still 2 pieces missing. This one is not good for us. How about this one? Oops, wrong again. Maybe this is the right one? Oh, come on. Let's keep trying. We found the piece number 3. Finally! We still need to find one more. Let's give it a try. I don't think this is it. What do you think? Let's pick another one. No, this isn't it either. I can see that. Shall we do that again? This finally looks like the piece we were looking for. Let's see if it fits into our puzzle. There we go. Great! We collected all 4 pieces. What is the name of this animal? It's a bear! Correct!
Bears live in the woods and they love yummy honey. I love it too.
There's still 2 puzzles left for us to put together. It's a cat and a dog. I really want to make the cat puzzle next if you don't mind. I love cats. How about you, friends? Now we're looking for all the red pieces. I've found the pieces number 1 and 2. Here's the piece number 3. Can you see the cat's tail? It's rather long and pretty. And here are the whiskers. This is the piece number 4. Look, friends. Now this puzzle is complete too. We did it! Yay! Can you say cat? Very well. And what do the cats say? Haha! That's right! You're meowing very well too. Here is the only puzzle that's left. Do you remember what animal it is? That's right! It's a dog. Let's count how many puzzle pieces we have here. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, and 4. You all know how to count to 4. It's really good. And now, let's make this game more interesting and hide the pictures, like this. Okay, we can mix them up as well. We'll move them around and around. It'll be even more challenging this way. That should do it. Now, does anyone remember how the piece with the dog's head looked?
I think it's this one.
Maybe? You're right, Emily. Let's take a look. No, that's not the head. That's the legs. You can try again.
Let's try this piece right here. This is it.
Nope, that doesn't look like the head either.
Can you help me, friends? Shout out nice and loud.
Wow, that was really loud. And look, you found the right piece. I knew you could do that. This is the dog's head. And this piece should go right over here. Very well, we've got the front of the dog. And this is its ear. Great, now this dog can hear us perfectly. Here comes the last piece with hind legs and yay! We did it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 pieces are together. Well done, friends. So here's our doggy, and Doggy says, that's right. Dogs make great pets. Just look at this happy wagging tail. Alrighty, we've done 4 puzzles, and we've learned 4 animals. Let's repeat their names. A lion, a bear, a cat, a dog. Well done, everyone.
It's so much fun playing with you.
That's true. If you like playing puzzles with us, then subscribe. Now we have another fun puzzle to play with. Do you know where these animals live? Yes, that's right. They all live in the ocean. So to learn more about them, let's take the pieces out. Can you see all the empty shapes? We need to put all those pieces with animals back into the puzzle. Will you help me? Great! This is a wiggly, wobbly octopus. It has 8 arms. They are called tentacles.
Repeat, friends. Octopus.
This puzzle piece has its place right here. This animal is called a turtle. It has a green shell on its back.
Turtles can live up to 100 years old.
Wow, then they need a lot of candles on their birthday cakes. Next, we've got a dolphin. Do you know what color the dolphin is? You've got it. It's blue.
Dolphins are very friendly creatures.
Well, this friend of ours should go right here. This animal is a squid. Can you see the tentacles? He has 8 of them, just like an octopus. Just look at them. So cute. Let's put our new pal squid right here. This is a fish, of course. I'm sure you all recognized it. Fish come in different shapes and sizes. This one's a goldfish. You might have seen one in an aquarium.
Did you know that a group of fish is called a school?
Seriously? That's funny. Our next sea creature is a seahorse. It's not a real horse, though. It's actually a fish, and it can change its color. Cool, right?
Whoa, seahorses are awesome!
Let's put this one into its place in the puzzle. Now, this big guy is called a whale. Whales are the biggest animals in the ocean. The flippers at the front help the whale move.
Whales like to spray water just like this.
But they're not having a water fight. That's how they breathe. Look, it's a shark. Such a wide smile it has. Sharks have over 300 teeth. I really hope they brush them well.
Sharks have a really good sense of smell.
Yeah, that's how they find food. Well done, Emily. This funny-looking animal is a mollusk. They have a hard shell to keep them safe and cozy.
Mollusks can have shiny pearls inside them.
Right. Let's put this one over here. Our next animal is a starfish. It looks just like a pretty star. Have you seen a starfish before?
Yeah, it's my favorite sea creature so far.
I like it too. Here you go. And our final puzzle piece has this animal on it. It's a crab. Can you see all his tiny legs? What a cutie. They must own a lot of shoes.
And I know that his front legs are called claws.
Well, Mr. Crab, you're going right here. Look, we completed the puzzle. Great job, friends. Our next puzzle is about farm animals. Let's take out the pieces. The first animal is a cat. It's our number 1. How many of you have cats? Whoa, really? I have a cat too. Next up, it's a cow. It's our puzzle piece number 2. What sound does a cow make?
Moo! I love cows.
Cows give us milk. Milk is yummy and helps you get big and strong. Look, it's a chicken. Our puzzle piece number 3. I think there is no farm without chickens, really. It goes right here. Who's this, friends? It's a horse. Our piece number 4. Horses have long tails. Can you see it? I think our horse goes over here. I think the horse is hungry. Let's give it some hay. It's our piece number 5.
Hay is a type of tasty grass that animals love to eat.
Right you are, Emily. Let's put it over here. This building is called the farm. It's like a big house for the animals. It keeps them nice and cozy when they're sleeping. It goes right here. And it's the piece number 6. And the piece number 7 is this cute little rabbit. I wish I had a crunchy orange carrot for this bunny.
Rabbits have bushy tails and long ears.
Let's put it in the puzzle. I think this is his place. It's a duck, a piece number 8. Ducks have webbed feet to help them swim. Let's put it on the farm with the other animals. Wow, this fluffy animal is called a ram. It's a piece number 9. Rams are male sheep. Can you see the big horns on its head? Now we have a goose. It's a piece number 10. A goose has a long curving neck. And they make a funny honking sound when they talk. Haha, that sounds funny. Wow, it's a tractor, a piece number 11. Can you see the farmer driving it?
He uses it to pick all the crops on the farm.
Our tractor can go into the puzzle too. It's a tall apple tree, and its number is 12. Look, there are so many red apples growing on it. Apples are really good for your health, so eat them every day. This is a scarecrow, and it has a very important job on the farm. It stops the birds from eating all the crops. I think we'd better let our scarecrow get back to work. Oh, its number is 13. And the last piece's number is 14. It's a dog. Look, it has a really big happy smile. I think the dog likes living on the farm. Let's put him with the rest of his friends. Phew, the puzzle is finished. Great work, everyone. I had a lot of fun completing it with you. We've learned so much about farm animals. Stay tuned to see more. We've got one more puzzle to play with, and it's full of colorful animals too. Look! Huh? Where did they go? We better find them. Can you help me, friends? We found the monkey. Yay! That was easy. Monkeys love eating lots of tasty bananas, and they are really good at climbing. This is the next animal. It's a lion. What does it say? Most lions live on a large continent called Africa. But this lion lives right here in our wooden puzzle. What animal is next? Yes, it's a giraffe. Giraffes are the tallest animals on Earth. They have long necks to reach leaves in high trees. Let's put it next to the trees in the puzzle. This cute little animal is called a hedgehog. Hedgehogs have spikes on their backs. These spikes help keep them safe from bigger animals. But this little buddy is totally safe being here in our puzzle. Wow, look at this. It's an elephant. Can you see the elephant's big, long trunk? Elephants use their trunks to drink and grab food. Here you go, Mr. Elephant. Do you know who this is? It's a crocodile, very well. Crocodiles have mouths full of sharp teeth. They can live in rivers, swamps, and lakes. Here's the right place for this one. This is called a kangaroo. The yellow part is called a pouch. They put their babies there when they move around. Kangaroos hop around instead of walking. It helps them move really fast, actually. Whoa, this next animal is a hippopotamus. Haha, that's a really funny word to say. Why don't you try to say hippopotamus? And this is a tiger. It's part of the cat family. Can you see the black stripes on its fur? The stripes help them hide in the jungle. I think the tiger goes into this space here. This animal is a zebra. It looks like a horse, right? Zebras have black and white stripes, and they can run really fast. Let's make this zebra run into its place in the puzzle. Zoom! Zoom! Wow, that was so fast. This animal is a gorilla. Gorillas live in tropical forests and eat plants and twigs. They are very clever animals. They can even learn sign language. Can you imagine? That's the last animal for today. I've had a great time learning about animals with you, friends. We'll see you next time. Bye!